been through this step 3, meaning that I have called Wikidata API to grab all the information. So we were like in Zucker. You see, he has recognized Zucker. He has find a name. Let's take a more simple one. Let's say Airbnb. You see, this is Airbnb. I can check if the information is correct. So that's Wikidata. And then you see Airbnb or even Amazon. I think I have Amazon right here. Whoops. Amazon, which is this one. Yeah, okay, so he has finished. This is Amazon, American multinational, which is correct. So basically, I'm satisfied with the step 3. I'm going to go to step 4, meaning that I'm going to finalize the breadcrumb proposition for the tag. So I would do it very quickly. I think I've already made, but this time, yeah, that's it. So he has created step 4, which is, for instance, I'm going to look for Amazon or Airbnb. Let's say Airbnb. So you see, you have all this information, and you have a proposal for home tags and Airbnb. Okay, and I rather go for Airbnb. So this is correct. This is an organization. This is an American. Okay, let's say Amazon. That's correct. This is an organization. Let's take Zucker, which is a person. Yeah, that's correct. That's an Hungarian American film producer. So I know the stuff. And if I look for on my own blog, well, let's take Airbnb, which is better. Find Airbnb. So let's take Airbnb. So you have Airbnb. You see, there's no qualification. I've already made for Amazon, so there was but Airbnb I have nothing. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the JSON that I've enriched to qualify Airbnb. So maybe, I say maybe, I can appear, well, I won't appear on Airbnb, but my pages can be found easier on some chatbots. So for instance, if I go on Amazon on my website, you see this is the same status, or even Amazon, and I need to implement and to grab or to put a better information. So let's do it right away. So I'm gonna go on my local website. So I've made plenty of plugin. I think we will start from scratch. So I deactivate it. Okay, and the very first that I need is this one, which enable me to, you see, there's no proposal for the moment, there's no delta, but I have create, you see, Airbnb, I've created a kind of, but I won't do it manually. I can search, I can see that it's correct, and I can fill up the stuff manually, but I will do it with a JSON, which is much more better, which is this one, import. And the settings, I want, for instance, a response in English, and right here you can empty the stuff, you see, so you can retry the operation. So I take this one, I should have 100. You see, it has been and it has been importing 100. And if I take Airbnb, you have Airbnb. Okay, if I need to redo the stuff, I can empty it. Okay, there's no more proposal. I would do it again, and so on and so on. So I can change manually, I can change directly into the JSONs, and let's implement, Airbnb. So I will filter. So let's focus on Airbnb. Airbnb, I want to be sure that it's clearly qualify, so I can simulate. I don't find the breadcrumb, I don't find the information interesting, so I can maybe modify it. For instance, I would grab this one, but I can put it, I can extend it if I need. And let's say Airbnb, I would choose, I don't know, I would choose, I think I would put them in big data whatsoever. It doesn't matter. The fact that I want to show you that simulate. So the Airbnb, because I'm talking in this article about Airbnb, I'm talking about JavaScript and the node and whatsoever. It doesn't matter. But the fact that I have order, I have put Airbnb into a correct data, and then I validate, and then I published. So basically, I have improved the ability of the chatbot and the LLM to say, Airbnb, I'm talking about Airbnb, so if someone is looking for Airbnb and looking for big data, because I'm talking about some development made by Airbnb team, then you can grab and quote my article. Okay, so this is a This is a main plugin. I've made some other plugin, meaning that I think I've made one, but I won't show it because I'm not sure it's working. And I will do the third and last video about WebMPC, which is a plugin I've made. This is a bonus video. What I want to say is that I had to, when you migrate from stuff to stuff, especially on you need to improve. You see, you need to improve your htaccess. Be careful with that. You need to make redirect, because I also made. You see, I'm handling tags right here, which are here, but I also may do the operation on the category, because I want to have this one big data change. So you need to make redirect. Okay, if I convert big data into web development, for instance, I need then to make a redirection. Let's say I will write it right away, and the plugin is helping you. So I will be forced. I think that was that. You see, I will be forced to do thing like that. So remember, again, whatsoever, let's say web development. I don't even know how it's written, but it doesn't matter. You see, so that's the change. So be careful with that. Sometimes you need to when you're handling your category, because there's two operations. There's one operation with enriching the tag, thematic tag, but also working for a better breadcrumb with the help of the category management. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's come back for the last bonus. That was this one about WebMPC and what it is and what we can do with WebMPC, which is the answer from Google to the fact that they're in competition with right now with the chatbot, like for instance Perplexity, Claude, ChatGPT, and so on. Okay, see you in a minute then. Bye bye.